Hello friends, in this video I am going to share you in ICICI Direct app how we can place an intraday order. First you have to select top left corner these three dots to open the main menu. Here you have to go trade and investment, second option. I am selecting that one. In this one you have to select the equity as you want to go to do with equity. Once you open the equity, here you can see option margin buy in bracket intraday. This is the option we have to select for a intraday trade in ICICI Direct. I am selecting that one. Here you will get the option to select the stock exchange as NSE or BSE. And here you have to select the stock quantity, you can put it here. If you want to put a limit price here, market price here, and then you have to select the buy now. I will show you one by one. I am selecting NSE as an exchange stock. I am selecting ITC. Recommendation will come. I will select suitable one. Then here I have to put quantity. Quantity I am putting 100. Here you can see current market price. So I am putting the limit as 208. Then I have to put buy now option. Now here you can verify within stock exchange, you can verify and the quantity and estimated trade deal value. Initial margin at 10%. So then if you want to see the more details, we can select the more option. Rolling type, all this thing. Then we have to select this proceed. Actually now it is not a market hour, so it is not proceeding, but the process is same. If it is a market hour, order will proceed, and you can see this one in our position trade book. Thanks for watching my video. Bye, see you.